Hey guys, in this video you learn how to scrape any website using scraping agent, how to instruct it properly to make it follow website structure, find data you need, and then extract it. Also, we will discuss other capabilities of our scraping agent, such as interaction with the field on the pages, such as search bars, different selectors, pagination, infinite scroll, and so on. And for today's demonstration, I decided to go with one of the most popular use cases here in Coursera, and this is lead generation. For example, you got a website of random company and you want to scrape contact details, pricing information, a list of services, maybe some high-level summary of this company offering. And I'll show you how to get that information using our scraping agent. So this is one of the random yoga studio that our clients scraped. So we're going to scrape this website, and particularly we are interested in services that this yoga studio provides. We're interested in getting pricing information and as well as contact details of this studio. And at the first step, you gotta go to Coursera, you gotta log in into your account and click on this button and create scraping agent. After that, you gotta paste URL of the website you're going to scrape. Just throw to our agent the root domain and describe what you need. For our scenario, let's instruct our agent to scrape services and their prices as well as the contact details. So let's write it down. So prompt is ready. Let me read it to you. It goes like scrape company services and their pricing. Also, I need all the contact details. And now we can send our agent to get that data for us. By the way, if you are curious of what agents do during the processing phase, you can see it here, every step, what agent do in order to accomplish our request. So if you have nothing better to do, you can follow the thinking process of our scraping agent. While agent processing our request, I'd like to also mention that our scraping agent been also used for cases such as job board scraping, e-commerce scraping, scraping of real estate website. And in the next video, I'll show how agent can be instructed to, for example, interact with search bar. For instance, you need to scrape job board and you need to extract data only for data analyst job. So you can instruct agent with a prompt that goes like, go to the company, go to the job board website, put data analyst in the search bar and scrape like 50 or like 100 or like all the jobs that you may find in the resulted page. Also, I've been testing agent, and you can also instruct it to go to a single pages. For example, you scrape e-commerce and you need to not only get information from the listing with the product, but you need to get some data from the individual product page. So you also can instruct agent to do that and it return it back to you. So there are plenty of different use cases. So if you have in mind any interesting use case that I can use for the next video, don't hesitate to write it down in the comment below. So agent get back to us with results, and let's check it out. Agent provided us with data both in like text format and a table format. In the text format, we see the key information summary, and below that we have the table with structured data such as company name, contact details like address and email. Also, it returned back to us a list of services with their names and description. Also, let's go further. We have pricing. We have pricing for every class packs and membership. Also, there is a workshop and events. Also, nice. And it also scrapes policies like cancellation policy and general rules. So as you can see, even a high-level prompt such as I did for this particular case was more than enough for Scraping Agent to navigate through the websites and gives back to me in structured data. And you might ask, what if I need to do some edits to this data set? For example, I want to get rid of policies column here. And for this to happen, you can use follow-up message and just give agent follow-up instruction to get rid of some data or structure data in other way, or maybe add new data to your data set. Well, that's how our Scraping Agent works on these simple use cases. And in the following video, we are going to test our Scraping Agent on more complex use cases. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye.